Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to enable Relumino outline on this device. Simply go to settings and scroll to bottom. At the bottom, you can see the option accessibility. Tap on vision enhancement. Okay. So here you can see the option Relumino outline. Turn on this option. If you tap on this one, here you can see the Relumino outline and we can adjust the thickness also. Black, white, green. Here we can change the colors also. Relumino outline helps make object and text easier to identify on this device. So simply in this way we can enable the Relumino outline on this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.